Let me walk you through the most concise, amazing, organized checklist for moving you've ever seen in your whole life. So we're gonna start with the pre-move. So you already booked your moving company. That's probably the hardest part. Great, we're done with that. Now we're gonna focus on where do we put the money you're saving for the move. So you wanna get that in a high interest savings account. I have all the details there. And you wanna make sure that you have committed to booking your move. You wanna make sure the date is secure and all of that. Right before your move, you wanna start decluttering. You wanna put in your PTO. You wanna figure out your child's care. You wanna update your addresses. So we're gonna go over this in a second. That's probably one of the most annoying things that you're gonna have to do in your pre-move. You wanna leave where you are and not have to worry, oh my God, did I forget to cancel my yoga membership? Like that sucks. Make sure that you're changing your subscriptions. Now this can feel very overwhelming as we live in the era of subscriptions. So I've created a sheet for you called Auto Payments and Subscriptions, where you're gonna be able to write everything down, because who doesn't love a checklist where you can just cross it off once you've completed it? On this list, you're going to include things like Netflix, your supplements, your therapist, anybody who you have auto subscriptions to. You need to change your address. You need to update your credit cards, put it all on this list so that every day you can go through a few of these and knock them out. Going back to our checklist, what do you need to do during the move? So just simple things like getting cash for your tips and making sure that you're getting food for all of the workers. And then your post-move, which is really thinking through what your life is gonna look like in this new place. This is my specialty of looking at it from a financial lens. So we're gonna dive into forecasting and cost budgeting in the next video.